One may be embarrassed in the beginning, then feel suffocating, and finally becomes annoying beyond one's perseverance. This is hiccup. Perhaps there isn't anyone who haven't experienced a hiccup at least once. It seems bizarre and amusing when we watch someone having a hiccup, but it certainly isn't a pleasurable experience when the hiccup strikes oneself. Is it possible to treat the hiccup by Oriental medicine? We'll examine in every detail in this edition of Oriental Medical Digest. Hiccup is the result of spasm of the diaphragm or dysfunction during breathing with the closure of vocal cords. Hiccup due to intestinal disorders are usually acute, but it can turn chronic in case of growing tumors stimulating the diaphragm. World record for the hiccup persisted for an astonishing 30 years.
한방에서는 위기가 상충했다. 그래서 위의 기운이
In the realm of Oriental medicine, hiccups are considered to be the end result of spasms emanating from the stomach area.
찬 약물들을 과량 섭취했을 경우입니다. 그래서 음료수라든지
Hiccups are often brought on by the intake of cold food and cold drinks.
Treatment varies depending on the hiccup sounds and symptoms. First case is low-pitched hiccup with moderate severity. Likely symptoms are stuffy chest and cold extremities. Pulse is slow and weak. This is from the consumption of cold food as the stomach's energy flows upward. Symptoms worsen with decreased blood and energy circulation. Herbs that warm the stomach, such as 정향 and 양강, prescribed 4 grams each, and 시체, which guides the energy downward, is added 4 grams. Second case is high-pitched hiccup with strong intensity and halitosis. Most patients complain thirst. Pulse is slippery and rapid. This case is likely from eating stimulating food with stomach heat. "10 grams of 석고 and 2 grams of 죽여 are prescribed to lower the heat and guide the energy downward. Third case is low-pitched hiccup with infrequency, cold extremities, and pale face. Lack of appetite and sore back and knees are often seen in this case. Pulse is thin and sinking. These are people with weak constitution and depleted stomach and spleen energy from prolonged illness. Herbs that tonify digestion, such as pagoja and 육두구, are prescribed 4 grams each. Last case is with frequent hiccup with break in a sequence. Symptoms are dry mouth with stuffy chest and mental uneasiness. Pulse is weak and rapid. This type of hiccup is from a febrile disease with nausea and diarrhea. Stomach is weakened with regurgitation of the stomach energy. 4 grams of 진피 and 황정 are prescribed to promote the qi circulation. These herbs are boiled for a couple hours and drink the liquid extract. All these herbs are prepared in a modernized process. One of the popular methods to alleviate the hiccup includes distracting one's attention. This is done by providing sudden surprise and fear, which stimulates the respiration. Hiccup is quite common among the children from slight indigestion and after eating a cold food. Another popular method is giving a spoonful of sugar to relieve the hiccup as the sugar melts in the mouth. Let's take a look at other methods in Oriental medicine. Acupuncture is widely used to treat hiccup. Invisible energy known as qi or life force flows within the meridian. When the flow of qi is obstructed, an acupuncture needle is inserted to invigorate the circulation.
The first point is Hiccup, found in the flesh between the thumb and the index finger. Inserting an acupuncture needle here will reduce fever. A second point is known as Zhongwan, located midway between the umbilicus and xiphoid process. This is a good point to boost general energy of the body. This point is located between the angle of the big toe and second metatarsals, called taechung. Again, this point influences the functions of the stomach. The last point is Chundal, located at the upper border of the manubrium sternum, where the clavicle bones meet. This point is often given acupressure for emergency management.
Another popular treatment for hiccup is moxibustion. Moxibustion is usually done with mugwort to warm the affected area, which in turn attracts leukocytes to increase the efficacy of treatment. Points of moxibustions are identical to the acupuncture points. Place a moxa cone on Zhongwan, located between the umbilicus and xiphoid process. This point governs stomach energy, so the moxa yields good results. Second is Hiccup, located on the dorsal surface inside the angle of the first two metacarpals. There is a simple massage technique to relieve hiccup. Slightly press the eyes with 2 fingers. Place 4 fingers on the back on neck and thumb on the side of neck. Press the thumb for 3 times, 15 seconds each. Flex the neck upward and palpate the laryngeal nodule. Gently press the sides with the thumb and index fingers. Firmly press the area approximately 3 centimeters away from the center of patella.
If hiccups persist for a long time, an accurate diagnosis should be made. If hiccups are from another illness, correct diagnosis is necessary for treatment. Otherwise, taking a hot bath is recommended in Oriental medicine. Hot temperatures will promote blood circulation, and as a consequence, this benefits digestion.
Most people don't pay much attention to how body functions until illness becomes evident. As we discover more about our body, we are amazed by body's natural healing process. Many of the healing process still appear to be mysterious. Oriental Medical Digest will keep searching for miraculous healing process of the body. Thank you for joining us today. I'll see you again next time.